This is my backyard motocross track, but I guess it couldn't be considered backyard, because my house is like to the side of it. First there's the whoops, and filled in the first one to make a tabletop. Then there's 2 doubles after that. They're like 6-foot gaps, except for the first one. I think that's an 8-foot. And there's a little like kicker thing right here. Then up there, I made another little kicker out of just like logs, a bunch of dirt. Small track, but whatever. Up there's a, well, it was a double, but I put a tiny landing on it to make a triple, and I still overjump it. There's the takeoff. Then the first landing, and the second tiny landing. And I usually land like right there. Then I just made this yesterday. I still have to make it really wide. It's a tiny, like, about 9-foot double. Probably looks smaller than it really is on camera though. And the last thing is 4-foot high, and it's about a 13-foot gap tabletop. And eventually I want to expand the track all the way over there, because we're getting all that property logged. Probably can't see the machine back there. Okay, bye.